Hello friends, and welcome to the Urban Homesteading channel. If today is your first time visiting with us, I don't want to wish you anything. If today is your first time visiting with us, I want to welcome you to our channel and invite you to watch any of our over 400 videos that we've arranged for your convenience in playlists, as we are confident you're going to find something both exciting and informational. If you've been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. If today is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. So today we start here in our closet, which serves as my temporary workspace. And as you can see, it is organized and neat, but very, very small. But while we're in the apartment, this will serve as my working space. I don't plan to do anything different. And we have had a few little things, like some very cheap clamps to help us with some projects, but really we have not had too many things other than that. So today we're going to have a little discussion or chat or rant, whatever you want to call it, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you all the things that we did build in this apartment, and we are actually using them on a daily basis and enjoying them using the very minimal tools we have here. And I think this is going to demonstrate the advantage of do-it-yourself and the advantage of knowing how to do basic builds. So stick around. Forgive me for my little stuttering here, but I'm just recording this because I wanted to communicate with you. So stick around for my little rant, followed by all the things that we've built here, and we are going to show you that we are actually using them, and they've been very, very useful. Happy 2020. This is a channel announcement. We're not going to build anything today, but I feel compelled to talk about something that I've seen through 2019 and previous years, and tell you guys what we plan to do for 2020. Actually, better, I'm going to tell you what we're not going to do for 2020. So stick around if you're a friend of the channel and you're interested in the channel and you want to hear our plans. One of the things that has really bothered me over the last years and has really affected some of my favorite creators, and even before you two, a person that I used to follow a lot on TV, Norm Abrams, is this propensity of getting popular and gaining some traction by doing reasonable projects, by doing projects that all of us can do. And then as they get a little more money or fame or whatnot, start getting shops that they are very well equipped with thousands, if not millions of dollars of stuff on them, huge buildings, dedicated buildings, etc., and slowly moving into a level that most people cannot really follow. So what we are not going to do in 2020 or any part of this decade or the next decade, we are not going to do that. We are going to remain a channel that actually caters to you guys, caters to the average do-it-yourselfer. We're going to take off-the-shelf tools. We're not going to buy any expensive tools. If something is more than a couple of $100, we're going to go to Craigslist and we're going to purchase it there. We'll always be transparent with how much things that we have cost. So we are not going to do what other people have done and again have disappointed me as a follower. Now, I am going to look at a property that has a shop, but I will keep my shop at pretty much the same size as I had before, which is the approximate size of a one-car garage. I would prefer it not to have it in a garage this time so I can heat it and cool it, and that will be the only change. But I will do the heating and cooling myself. I'm not going to buy something already made. I'm not going to build something from scratch, but I'm looking to buy a house with another building in the property that I can convert to a shop and show you how I do that. that is the plan. We'll see how it will work. We'll start looking for properties, and we are going to keep you abreast of what's happening. The other thing that we're not going to do is build things that they are worthless just because they look good. The idea behind the channel is building things that are both useful and easy to build, that you can be proud of, have them in your house, and enjoy having them in your house. Again, it is kind of annoying to me when people show you how to build something, but actually they are not truthful. In other words, they pretend to show you how to build something, but they really don't. In other words, what they show you and how they show you to do it is not something that you can do, either because they hide steps, or because they go and buy something and they didn't tell you they bought it, etc. I have nothing against buying things and modify them, or buying things and repairing them. In fact, that's a great way to get into the hobby, understand how professionals build, and get ideas. And I've done it in the past, but I don't think that someone should buy something, take it apart and reassemble it and pretend that it is their build. So we're not going to do that. We are not going to use clickbait. We have not used any clickbait since we started the channel, and we're not going to start now. So you're not going to see half-naked women on thumbnails. You're going to see some silly titles sometimes, but not sensational titles. And our reviews will remain honest and unbiased. We are not going to accept products to review that require us to provide a specific opinion. I will accept, and I have accepted in the past, products just to review and give you my honest opinion, but I will not ever agree to do a product review that requires me to say something that I do not think is truthful. So in 2020, we're going to start the year, and we've started the year with simple builds that enhance our apartment living, and hopefully we're going to have some series on how to look and purchase a home. I'm a certified home inspector, so I will give you some tips and tricks on how to do that. And then hopefully we're going to get a shop that I like, that it is a reasonable shop that doesn't cost thousands of dollars. And ideally I would like to find a building that I can modify into a shop, or failing that, maybe buy a modular building or a shed and transform it into a shop. Something that the average person can do and makes sense to do. So our promise for 2020 is we're going to do our best to improve our channel, and we're going to do our best to show you what we think is the best way to get into a DIY mode, save money, have fun, have things in your house that you build yourselves that can become heirlooms that you can pass to your family down the road. So stick around and let us all have a great year. We're always open to suggestions on what you would like for us to do in our channel. So let us know, and we're going to be happy to comply with that. And also, I'm going to spend a few moments following this little rant to show you the things that we build ourselves and are very useful for our apartment. We're having them in our apartment. We use them in a daily basis, and they're all builds that I've put in this channel. So stick around. If you did like this short rant and you like some videos that give you ideas and thoughts, please let me know and I will do more. Otherwise, this is a bonus video. It will not replace the Wednesday or the weekend video. It's just a bonus video to get in touch with you and let you know what my thoughts are. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I appreciate your support to the channel. So stick around for a few more minutes and I will show you some of the projects that we already built without a shop, with just a closet and very basic equipment, and we are using daily and we really enjoy having in our apartment. Farewell, friends. So we're going to start with our latest addition, and that is the change of the shower head. And of course, this is something we're using daily and has made a huge difference in our quality of life here in the apartment. This is a very simple thing. It is not really a build, it's just an upgrade that anyone can do. So we'll start with this and we're going to go on from here. One of my favorite builds is this very simple mantle that we built for the very, very basic fireplace we have here. Again, it has been enjoyable. I really love it. And I wish I've done it in our old house in Kansas. The other build that we have is this leaning bookcase. Really, really enjoyable. Again, something that we are using and enjoying every day. And this was a 2x4 project. In fact, most of the projects we've done here, except the mantle, have been 2x4 builds. The other build that we did since we moved here is this table. Again, we're using it on a daily basis. Another 2x4 build. Really enjoyable and something that we have loved using. Our last project was this little step stool. That it is almost like furniture. Really enjoyable to watch and have. And I cannot think of anything else that we have built. For now, this is it. Well, I want you to thank you for watching, if you have watched all this way. And if you watch all this way, I want to tell you that in 2020, we plan some really fun and exciting giveaways. So if you watch our channel, we're going to be announcing those. Also, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for the support of the channel. And if you did find some value in what we do, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Share, like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see in the future. As we listen to you, and when we ask for specific builds or repairs, we always try to do what our viewers want. From the Garage Wizard and the Urban Westlandic channel, I want to wish you a very happy 2020, and we are going to see you soon. Farewell, friends.